Uninzi lwabemibeli baxhomekeke kwiteksi ukuya kwiindawo zahlukeneyo. Elicandelo lidlala indima ephambili kuqoqosho lweli nangona limbathwe ludushe nezixholo-xholo.
The Commission is saying despite the legal framework, the minibus taxi type service is controlled by associations. The associations control who gets to join them, they control the routes, and dictate where each operator must operate. They also allow those without operating licenses to join them. Now, this proceed and say that this finding continues and say the vehicles owned by the association and by some powerful individuals in the association do not wait for their turn in loading lines. They simply move to the front when they arrive at a taxi rank, which causes a lot of resentment from the general membership.
Ikomishoni iyafumanisa ukuba amanye amapolisa ayabandakanyeka ekulibaziseni uphando kwiziganeko zodushe ziliqela kwelicandelo.
Indeed, we found that there were several problems, amongst which were that some of the agencies were actually not enforcing any of the laws, and they gave us a lot of reasons why that was not happening. But I must say, all of them admitted up front that, they've not really been up to task in relation to the issues related to taxi violence.
Ikomishoni yacebisa ukuba kusungulwe ibutho elilodwa nelizakujongana ngqo nodushe loonoTaxi.